Good afternoon. Today is Wednesday, March 20, 2024, and here are the 3 p.m. STL Visayas result today for Lapu-Lapu City and Mandaue City. Here are the STL Shore 3 p.m. draw result for Lapu-Lapu City under Lucky 7 Games and Amusement Corporation for Wednesday, March 20, 2024. Here are the STL Shore 3 p.m. draw result for Mandaue City under Piona Trading Supply Corporation for Wednesday, March 20, 2024. Thank you for watching this 3 p.m. video for Wednesday, March 20, 2024. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more lotto result update.